SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, taking you through the 2001 Sea Ray 290 SS. See, the boat is bottom painted, ready to drop in. Dual Bravo 2 out drives. Right away at the stern, you'll notice the giant sunpad with walk-through transom. Nice that you don't need to step onto your furniture to get onto the boat. That cushion removes right here. Then you have an easy walk-through into the boat. Plenty of seating. Have a small wet bar, along with 2 bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. Walk through center, up to the bow. Then you also have an updated Raymarine GPS. Spot for a table. Then you also have center locker storage. For the space available, they've done a great job. Small galley with refrigerator and a convertible V-berth to make it into an entertaining area or sleeper. Vacuflush head. This boat is located here in Sturgeon Bay. Give us a call ahead to schedule your showing today.